Welcome back, guys, and today we're going to talk about how bad the mining profitability is right now, and it is actually really bad. I almost don't remember when it was so bad as it is right now. It was probably like 8-9 months ago, and even then it might actually be slightly better than it is right now. So if you're still mining, if you didn't quit, you can only make $2.57 if you have NVIDIA Titan V, which is a professional GPU. But if you're using something like the best gaming GPU that you can get, like NVIDIA GTX 180 Ti, you can make only $1.58. So something like Vega 64 and Vega 56 are making less than $1.30. And CPU mining is not profitable at all anymore, and some time ago even AMD was saying that you can pay off Ryzen CPUs within a year, but right now if you have something like Ryzen 7 1700X, even overclocked to 4 GHz, you can only make less than 50 cents per day. So in a year you would be making like $180, but you would almost spend all that money just on the electricity cost, and your CPU would be hot all the time, so that is not worth mining. So the best ASIC miners that you can get right now, something like Silicon A5 Dashmaster, are making $6.71, and the most popular one, Antminer S9 from Bitmain, is only also making $6.50. So buying mining equipment right now is not something that you want to do, and this is mostly because of the prices that we are seeing right now for altcoins. So altcoin prices are now at almost the 6 months low, which actually it might even be true, because when was the last time that you have even seen like $80 Litecoin or maybe like 13-cent Cardano? If you go to the Litecoin chart, you can see that the last time it was about $80 was actually in November before this huge spike. Just let's put it to 1 year chart. So it was before this huge spike that happened, and it looks like there is some support over here at this price of $8. So I don't actually see it going much lower than this. So almost every single coin is currently at the lowest price in the last 6 months. So let's just take a look which coins lost the biggest amount of value in the last 24 days. Something like Redcoin, VBUX token, Veritasium, Basic Attention token. So this is nothing that you can actually mine right now, because those are not mineable coins. But the mineable coins that you can actually mine are something like Monero, which is at $129, and the all-time high prices we have seen was more than $300 for Monero. It was $437, so almost 80% loss on that one. And it looks like it is not getting better, and I still actually stand with my prediction that Bitcoin will hit $25,000 to $30,000 by the end of the year, and this is just because altcoins are so low right now that they cannot go any lower than that. Altcoins going another 30-40% lower, which would mean also 30-40% lower profitability for mining, is something that I don't even see as a possibility, because such low prices of altcoins cannot sustain themselves, and they are great buying opportunity, because I believe that whatever you buy right now, almost every single coin is undervalued right now, and we are going to see a lot better times. If you go over here to all-time high coin index, you can see which coins lost the biggest amount of value from the all-time high. Bitcoin Diamond actually lost 97%, Bitcoin Gold 95%, but those two coins are not actually, should not be worth anything, because they're just forks of Bitcoin, and they don't have anything special going for them. But something that I was really surprised was Nano, which lost 93.84% of the value, and NEM, which lost 92% of the value. I actually hold some NEM, so that was pretty bad to see. I didn't buy it at the all-time high, but I also lost some money on NEM. So most of the coins lost between 70 and 92% of the value. Some lesser known. Some coins that are doing great right now, like Binance Coin, is actually 42% lower than the all-time high. Ontology, which is also doing great almost all the time, lost almost 50% of the value. And the most interesting one is Bitcoin, which lost 70% of the value. So most of the retracements from the all-time high that were happening for Bitcoin were between 70 and 90%, and we just hit 70% on the Bitcoin. So this is one more So this is one more reason why I think Bitcoin is not going to go any lower than this. We have seen something like $5,800, but this didn't hold for a long time. So now let's see how much you can actually make if you have some of the most popular GPUs, like maybe 1060 6GB version, and how much should your electricity bill be so you can still make some profit. So let's click calculate another time, and the profit if you have GTX 1060 6GB is only 38 cents after the electricity cost. But if you have something like 17 cents electricity, which we have over here in Croatia, you can only make 8 cents per day after the electricity cost, so it might not even be worth for you to be mining. And if you actually have like 18 cents electricity, then you cannot make almost any profit. So with 20 cents electricity, you are actually losing money, and you are losing something like 4 cents per day after the electricity cost. So if your electricity is 20 cents or more per kilowatt hour, you should not actually be mining right now. You should just be spending that money to buy Bitcoin or the altcoins that you are mining directly. Now you could have gotten lucky with some other altcoins on some other softwares, maybe like Awesome Miner, where there is a bigger amount of coins to mine, but still it is not really profitable right now. And if you are thinking about buying some GPUs right now, you should not do that. So the most profitable thing on 180 Ti currently to mine is NewScript with 19,000 satoshis, Lira to Revision 2 with 20,000 satoshis, and let's scroll down a little bit. There is also Lira to Z with 18.8 thousand satoshis, and we have seen days with like 40 to 50,000 satoshis on one GPU, even when Bitcoin was at 12-13,000. So that was like 4 times higher profits than we are seeing right now, because 166GB was making about $4, about $3 to $4 per day, and now with 20 cents electricity, you cannot make any money. So thank you guys for watching this video. Let me know what you think about it, and let me know down in the comments if you're still actually mining, or if you just quit mining and waiting for some better days. Maybe you just sold off your GPUs or something like that. Let me know what you actually did, and see you soon in another video. Bye.